Good morning students, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. Today we will revise chapter 1 where we will see external memory. So let's start. Now what is external memory? External memory is the storage device which is available outside the CPU. That means the memory device which we can connect from outside the CPU is called external memory, like pen drive, CD, DVD, floppy disk, etc. Okay, it also known as secondary storage device. Okay, now hard disk. Hard disk is the most important external storage device of the computer system. Why hard disk is called most important external storage device? Because it stores large amount of data. For permanently. Okay, unless we delete from the hard disk. Okay, the capacity of the hard disk start with 500 GB, can range from GB to TB. Okay, it start with 500 GB and can go up to GB, TB, ZB, etc. Okay, now it is of two type: internal hard disk and external hard disk. Internal hard disk fixed inside the CPU box, but that is external memory. Okay, that is exceptional, that is fixed inside the CPU box. Internal hard disk I am talking about. Okay, now here we have external hard disk. It is a portable external memory. External memory, that means the device which external memory, that means this device we can carry anywhere. Okay, this device we can carry anywhere. Portable, that means the thing which we can carry anywhere. Understood? So it is a portable external memory storage device. It can be used to store file, document, picture, etc. Okay, it can be used to store file, document, picture, etc. and we carry anywhere. Understood? So this is external hard disk. It's very important. Internal hard disk fixed inside the CPU box, whereas external hard disk we can use from outside the CPU. Okay, by using USB cable. As you can see the picture, this is external hard disk and this is USB cable. By plugging with CPU we can use this external hard disk. Okay, next here we have compact disk. CD stand for compact disk. Okay, it is one of the most popular secondary storage device, but nowadays it is not that much popular, but it was popular before 4 or 5 years. Okay, it is used for recording, storing, playing audio, video, etc. Okay, it is used for recording, storing, playing audio, video, etc. Okay, earlier we used to watch the movie and all using this CD or DVD only. Okay, now DVD, digital versatile disc. It is a silver color disc. It has capacity to store much more data than a CD. If we talk about physical wise, both are same. There is no difference, but capacity wise there is a difference. Okay, DVD can store much more data than a CD. Understood? Now thumb drive. Thumb drive is also called pen drive. This can be asked in your examination, so please learn. Okay, thumb drive is also called pen drive. A thumb drive is rewritable storage device. That means we can delete the data from the pen drive and we can store again and again. Okay, that can hold data without power supply. Okay, and this we can use simply plugging with CPU. Okay, and we can store the data and carry anywhere. Okay, understood? Next, SD card and micro SD card. One more thing, nowadays this pen drive is very important. Why? Because this we can keep in our pocket. Okay, that's why this is very popular nowadays. Now SD and micro SD card. Nowadays this SD and micro SD card also is very popular because we are using in our camera, mobile phone, etc. Okay, so the SD card is an ultra small flash memory card ultra small flash memory card designed to provide high capacity memory in small size. In a small size, it provides us high capacity memory. Okay, high capacity memory. We can see the different variant of the capacity like 16 GB SD card, micro SD card, 64 GB SD card or micro SD card. Okay, understood? Today we have discussed the external memory, where we have seen internal hard disk, external hard disk, pen drive, CD, DVD. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.